Here we are, South Carolina.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bass Lake Campground. Look at this beautiful, perfect fire. Made by Michael. And supervised by Lisa. Who's got marshmallow fingers. With a Nugget on guard. Watching. A beautiful Coachman Nova 20C pop top. Full force. Being used. Campground. Everything working well so far, for the most part. Knock on wood. A rover ladder, a little cargo box modification. Got my little swing away hitch. My little boards there to get out of mud. Wet grass. So definitely need. Get a nice reflection.
Oh my god. It lit a hole through the plastic bags.